How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, leading you to settings and privacy. Now tap on account center option, and as you tap on account center, scroll down again, and here tap on your information and permissions option. Select on the option of export your information, and as you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see various options. So all you have to do is simply create or export the file. So let's tap on create export option, and as you tap on create export, select your profile and then tap on export a device or external service based on your convenience. I'm going to select on device, and as you do that, here simply select the option of date range, like where you would want to see the draft from. I'm going to select on last week, then tap on save, and you can select the format and media quality as well, and then tap on start export. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.